stepping in, and the billionaire.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm just going to be doing a cleaning vlog and how my Saturday went. It's like a Saturday vlog. So I woke up thinking of how I'm going to clean this whole house. So actually we traveled for Easter and we came back kind of late, and this is just the next morning because I didn't really clean the house. I was tired. So yeah, I just stood up from my bed, and first of all I'm just going to say a short prayer, then I'll go on with my day, clean up, do what I want to do, eat, cook, and whatever else comes with it. Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, okay, today is Saturday. I'm supposed to do house chores, clean up and stuff, but I'm so tired. So let me just go and brush my teeth and I'll be right back. Let's go. That hard one to tear my gum, so they gave me the hard one at first. I don't know why. How can they? Then I now went to get. I went inside the supermarket and looked for the soft one because it's not. So I'm just going to soak that in for a few minutes. So yeah, that's just it. Guys, you won't believe this is what I'm craving right now: pineapple and gala. If I don't eat pineapple with gala, there's a problem. So this is what I'm craving. I know it's strange, but that's how my craving is. Either pineapple and gala or watermelon and gala. So that's just it, sure. So this is my favorite biscuit. I love taking this biscuit with tea. It's very nice, and it's the watermelon. My dad is cutting it because I really like how he cuts watermelon. So he's just doing it so all of us will eat, and that's basically it. So I'm just going to make the tea. Yeah, gonna make the tea with, you know, the normal way you make tea now. So you pour your hot water. Don't mind me. You pour your hot water, and this is what I'm going to do: my biscuit and tea. So I'll have energy to start the work. Yep, that's just it. And now it's me right now sweeping the room. That's just it. So let go, let go, let go, let go. Yeah, this is a room's toilet which I cleaned, and you can see how it's sparkling compared to how dusty it was before. I think I didn't show you guys. And this is the passage. This place was so dusty when we came. It's been long we came here, and this is just like Easter kind of traveling. I remember this balcony was so dirty and dusty with bird droppings and stuff, and I cleaned it very well. It's like sparkling right now. The funny thing is that I had fun cleaning up all these places. So I checked this door. This door is locked here. So this is the staircase. It was so dusty. Oh my god! But now it's clean, guy. It is clean, and just heading to the kitchen. Okay, this is the. I think I forgot to clean this mirror though. So this is the kitchen, and I think it's okay to an extent. I was actually tired, so I just cleaned it like a quick clean. And yeah, I think I've tried. So I'm done with the cleanup, and right now I just want to rest and sleep and probably eat something. My mom went to the market though, so when she comes back, we are going to cook. And I actually enjoyed it when I was cleaning. I don't know why, but I enjoyed cleaning because there's music, and yeah, it's kind of therapeutic for me to clean and actually cook. Yeah, so that's just it. I had fun doing it, and I'm happy that I'm done with it for now. So the man that was supposed to fix my curtain, my room curtain came, and yeah, so this is just it. Fixing my curtain finally, and that's it. Beautiful. So after everything, I went for an event, and guess who I saw? Guess. LUP 71. LUP. I just shout LUP. I did. I could not just believe my eyes. Peter Obi was at my back. I was so happy, and I finally took a picture with him, and I was very happy, as you can see. Thanks for watching, guys, and sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye.